Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change file names for CUET-UG. First, it's crucial to understand the specific naming conventions and file type requirements for your CUET-UG application. Many applications require a particular format, like applicant name document type, PDF. Next, locate the files on your computer that you need to rename. This might include your photograph, signature, or academic certificates. Make sure these files are easily accessible before proceeding. Renaming files is straightforward on most operating systems. If you're using Windows, simply right-click the file you wish to change and select the Rename option from the context menu. For Mac OS users, click the file name twice slowly, not a double click, to activate the editing mode. Mobile users on Android or iOS can typically use their device's File Manager application to perform renaming actions. Always confirm the new name matches the required format. When renaming, pay close attention to the specific naming conventions provided by CUET-UG. This often includes details about capitalization, spacing, and allowed characters. For instance, some systems do not permit special symbols like asterisks or ampersands. Double-check that you haven't accidentally added an extra file extension, such as PDF, which can cause upload issues. Adhering strictly to these guidelines will prevent common submission errors. Before you proceed with uploading your documents, perform a final review of all renamed files. Ensure each file name precisely matches the CUET-UG requirements. Also, verify that the file sizes are within the specified limits. For example, a photograph might need to be under 50 kilobytes. Organizing all your correctly named and sized documents into a dedicated folder will streamline the upload process and help avoid any last-minute confusion. Good luck with your application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.